I'm sitting outside because in Arizona we have a little tight spot, and so you're going to hear airplanes going over and everything else. I rode my Honda Forza down to Coolidge, which this is 12 miles south of Coolidge, but the city has incorporated this facility in their city limits, probably for extra tax base. But as I come closer, you're going to see the last time I shot this was 3 weeks prior to January 31st, that Nikola is progressing along. I don't know how fast they're progressing along. I should come out here during a work day just to see how many workers are out. But there's been a lot of building going on since I was here last. When I look at Tesla's Giga Texas or Giga Berlin, or even Giga Shanghai and their construction, wow, they move like, they might be working 24 hours a day. I'm not sure, but they're moving about 100 times faster than Nikola is. But Tesla has billions of dollars, and Nikola probably does not. In fact, one of the guys says that they might be having funding problems of building this facility. And he also said it was going to be 1 million square feet, which I think he said 1 million. Yeah, I think he did. Quite a large facility, but they have, obviously, there's like 400 and something acres here, so they have the room to do it. And there's a plane flying overhead right now. But as you look down, you can see that they have increased their framing anyway. The next time I visit, which was yesterday, today is February 22nd, as I edit this video, I found out that they have progressed quite a bit. As you look down at this, you can see that they have a large spot where they can put their building materials, but you don't see a lot of building materials there. I don't see the stuff they're putting on the roof anywhere as I fly over this aerial. Maybe you can see it. I may have missed it, but it is progressing along since the last 3 weeks I was there. And we're coming up on another little clip from January 31st, which I had another forward view of going in to see the crane. And by the way, they still only have one crane there working, so it's going to progress pretty slowly. Now we are going to be coming up on the video which I shot yesterday on the 21st of February. And this time I ran into, first time, this is my fourth time I've been there, and there were visitors there. There was a person just leaving when I pulled up on my Honda scooter, and then there was somebody, 3 or 4 guys getting out to photograph, and then there was somebody from the Canadian consulate that was telling me about they may be having some funding problems finishing building this, but it's progressing along nicely. The roof is basically done in 3 weeks since the last time I was there, and I plan on going in another 3 weeks and see if they start maybe enclosing some of the sides. That'd be kind of nice. They do have footings for a much larger building. And it's kind of interesting that I tried to get up over the 400 feet so I can get a view of the facility coming back. And as you look over to the left, there's a lot of building material that wasn't there 3 weeks ago. So they are progressing along. So we'll see what happens the next time that I show up there, well, which will be in about 3 weeks. And again, I might shoot 2 that week. I'll come down on my scooter, and it's kind of a nice ride. It's about 55 miles from where I'm staying in Apache Junction for the, for our winter in North Dakota. It's kind of like the summer here. But anyway, they're progressing along nicely. Looking forward to seeing how much the building is done before I leave. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching this, and see you later. Bye-bye.